Welcome to my channel. A dimly lit desk setup is revealed, glowing screens showing cryptic research and editing software. The title flashes dramatically. How I started my faceless YouTube channel. Cut to narration voiceover with cinematic shots of typing, researching, and piecing together content. Shadows move across the screen. Narration. The journey to create a YouTube channel without revealing my face was no ordinary feat. It was a calculated, creative mission, a mission I'm about to share with you. Scene 1. The hunt for the perfect niche. Narration. It began with a question. What stories could I tell? What mysteries could I solve, without ever showing my face? I dove into research, tracking trends, analyzing searches, uncovering what the world craved. Visuals. Moody screen recording of Google Trends and YouTube search results, layered with fast cuts of brainstorming on paper. Text on screen. Pro tip. Follow the data, but let your passion guide you. Scene 2. Crafting the blueprint. Narration. Next came the blueprint. I plotted every step, scripting each word with precision, ensuring every second would captivate and intrigue. Without a face to convey emotions, my voice and visuals became my tools of persuasion. Visuals. Close-ups of scribbled notes, highlighted lines on a script, and dramatic typing shots. Text on screen. Hook your audience within 10 seconds, or lose them forever. Scene 3. Assembling the arsenal. Narration. To bring my vision to life, I needed the right tools. A microphone to amplify my voice, stock footage to paint the scenes, and animations to keep the audience hooked. My arsenal was small but mighty. A cinematic sequence of a microphone being placed on a desk, stock footage, websites scrolling, and animations in progress. Text on screen. Budget hack. Start simple, upgrade later. Scene 4. Forging an identity. Narration. Branding was my armor. I forged a logo, selected colors that spoke to my style, and crafted thumbnails that demanded attention. My faceless identity wasn't a limitation. It became my signature. Visuals. Slow pans of a logo being designed on Canva, bold thumbnails being assembled, and a video being uploaded. Burrad Tech Review. Your brand is your silent ambassador. Scene 5. The climb begins. Narration. Uploading was only the beginning. I studied algorithms, decoded SEO, and engaged tirelessly with my growing audience. Each video was a puzzle piece, each comment a clue. Slowly, steadily, my channel began to rise. Visuals. Analytics dashboards glowing on screens, hands typing replies to comments, and a calendar filled with planned uploads. Text on screen. Consistency isn't optional. It's survival. Closing scene. The desk setup now glows brightly, a symbol of success. The text appears boldly. Your faceless channel awaits. Narration. This is my story, and now, it's your turn. The faceless path isn't for the faint of heart, but it's a path worth taking. Create, inspire, stay unseen, but never unheard. Dare to begin. Subscribe, like, and share for more secrets.
You. Yes, you. Hold on just a second because we need to have a chat. This is serious business. Are you living a subscription-free life void of laughter, entertainment, and joy? Do your YouTube days feel a bit meh? Well, you're in luck, my friend, because I've got just the thing to spice it all up. Drumroll, please. Subscribe to this channel. It's scientifically proven by me that hitting that subscribe button will instantly make you 38% cooler, 76% happier, and 100% more awesome. But hold your horses. Don't just keep this golden ticket to yourself. Hit that share button and let your friends, family, co-workers, even your neighbor's dog in on the secret. Heck, tell your crush. Let them know you've uncovered the internet's hidden gem. Before you leave, there's one last mission. Copy this link and paste it everywhere. I mean everywhere. Your group chats, social media, even that awkward email thread from 2017. Together, we'll conquer the world, or at least the YouTube algorithm. So go ahead, hit subscribe, share, and let's make some internet magic happen. And remember, if you don't subscribe, a puppy somewhere won't get its belly rubbed today. Don't let that happen. Subscribe now. Outer scene. You ride off on an imaginary horse shouting, subscribe.